if you are starting your journey to straightening your teeth with the help of aligners. I will be telling you all the tips, tricks and hacks on your successful journey of aligners. Tip number 1. You have to wear your aligners at least 20 to 22 hours in a day. The only time you are not wearing your aligners is the time when you are eating or when you are cleaning your teeth. In fact, if there are times when you are not wearing your aligners for a long time, your teeth can go back to their original position and the time taken for the treatment may be even longer. Tip number 2 is sometimes you have to use chewies. Chewies are the soft tube-like structures which you have to chew on your teeth when you are wearing aligners and when these aligners are not fitting well. Sometimes it happens that your aligner is not seating properly on the back side or in the front side, so you can just take a chewy and try to press upon that. So when you are pressing it, it will help your aligners seat on your teeth, and you can get these chewies either from the doctor who is treating you, or you can also order these chewies online on Amazon or Flipkart. Tip number 3, whenever you are on a vacation, always carry an extra set of aligners. What happens is sometimes you are in a restaurant or you are in a hotel and you lose one set of aligners, but you do not have to be without the aligners for a long period of time. One day or one night will not cause anything, but if you are without your aligners for a longer period of time, always you have to either switch back to your aligner, the previous aligner which you were wearing, or even the next set of aligners which was going to be started, you can start it earlier. So you have to have a backup of either the previous set or the next set, because if you leave your teeth without the aligners, your teeth will start getting back to their original position and again you will take a longer time to get them straightened. Tip number 4, do not drink anything containing sugar, because the sugar in your drink is going to get trapped below your aligners, and because your teeth are covered with the aligners, your tongue is also not going to clean your teeth, which it normally does. So whenever you are taking something, you are drinking something which has sugar in it, always try to remove your aligners and then at least give it a rinse with water or give it a rinse with a mouthwash, or you can just quickly brush and then wear your aligners back. That will prevent your teeth from the cavities, because the sugar in the drink is going to cause the cavities if it is sticking onto your teeth. Tip number 5, after you have eaten your food, always make sure that you should give it a quick brush or a quick mouthwash, so that again your food should not remain sticking onto your teeth. Because if the food is lying on your teeth and you are wearing aligners on it, your bacteria are going to rush there and they will start secreting acid, and that will cause cavities on your teeth. So make sure that before putting on your aligners after your food, you have to brush it before you put your aligners back. Another thing you need to know is that you have small tooth-colored attachments on your teeth. So these tooth-color attachments are like small handles with which we can move your teeth very effectively and efficiently with the help of aligners. So if by chance one of these attachments falls off, do not panic, just call your office for an appointment. The doctor will check it and if needed, the doctor can replace it. But if by chance all of these attachments come out one by one, immediately give a call to the doctor and try to get an appointment fixed for putting these attachments back into your teeth. Tip number 7, the most important part, the cleansing of your aligners. Most of the time, washing your aligners in the running water with the help of a toothbrush will be sufficient. But if you feel your aligners are not very clean, you can even use a toothpaste, even use a very mild soap to clean your aligners and put them back in your mouth. So tip number 8, whenever you are starting your new aligner, like you are starting on your 8th aligner, do not throw the previous 7 ones, because sometimes what happens is if your teeth are not progressing in the way it was expected, so your doctor will tell you to go back to your aligner number 7 or 6, whichever is fitting best. So just try to keep all the aligners which you were wearing in the packet number which were given with them. Another thing to know is that when you are on your finishing of the journey of aligners, sometimes you need some refinement aligners because your teeth still need little bit of finishing or little bit of refinement. So your doctor will do a scan again and get your refinement aligners which you have to wear for the proper finishing and proper refinement of your teeth. And I hope you found this video useful, and all the best on your journey to aligners. And if you have anything to ask, anything to comment, please drop in your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.